If you need to cancel pending transaction on Spotify, follow these steps to ensure it is done correctly. Step 1. Open the Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your device or visit the Spotify website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture or username. Look for the account or settings option in the menu. Step 3. Check payment history. In your account settings, find the section that details your payment history or subscriptions. This will show you any pending transactions. Step 4. Locate the pending transaction. Identify the specific pending transaction you wish to cancel. Make a note of the details, including the date and amount. Step 5. Contact Spotify support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your account to confirm that the transaction has been successfully cancelled. If you have any issues, follow up with Spotify support for further assistance.